Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Recently, I went to Miyagi Prefecture for the Obon holidays here in Japan. I've listed a few things to do in Matsushima on my previous video, and if you haven't seen it, please feel free to check it out. I'll be putting the link on the description box below. Let's go! We stayed at Minami Sanriku Hotel Kanyo, located at the town of Minami Sanriku, northeast of Sendai. The hotel stands on a cliff and has one of the nicest panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. It also has this outdoor bath overlooking the scenery, but unfortunately, I cannot film it, but it looks like this. Being situated on a hill, the hotel also served as a refuge for the survivors and volunteers during the March 2011 tsunami that wiped out the entire town. Wow! Look at that view! Ocean view. We are now staying here at Hotel Kanyo, and I'm gonna give you a room tour. So we have here the slippers, and then after you enter, there's the toilet. And another toilet. With all the amenities like shampoo and soap. And the tub. And we have here main area. So if we're not sleeping, they fix it like this. And if we're gonna sleep, they're just gonna grab the futon here. Oh no, this is not the futon place. Oops. So this is where they put the futon. The futon is the Japanese bed they use for ryokans. And a small pantry, an empty fridge, glasses. And there's hot water, and where's the ocha? And we have here a sink. This is odd. I've never had a sink like this in a ryokan before. And we have a look at that. The local seagulls are also quite friendly, and you can interact with them on your balcony. Breakfast is a buffet, and we had to wear gloves when serving ourselves. By the way, if you've been to the Japanese-style hotels or ryokans, these things that looks like elastic for the hair are actually for the sleeves of your yukata to avoid them from touching your food. This is our dinner on the first night, and this is our dinner on the second night. It was such an amazing dinner. The hotel also has an in-house shop, an outdoor pool, and a mini gaming center. How cool is that? Overall, I would give this hotel a 9 out of 10, and I was very satisfied with the food, facilities, and the services. My ultimate favorite is our room view and the outdoor public bath overlooking the Pacific Ocean. Too bad filming was not allowed. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you again soon on my next one. Goodbye! To stay updated, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and for more related contents, please visit my website at www.veniceaka.com.